Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. Today I want to execute my test script without specifying the driver exe file. What does it mean? If you go back to the executor and if you observe any one of the previous test scripts, every time for the browser you have to specify the executable file path, then only it's executing. Now we can use an option in this Python using which we can run our test script on the browser without specifying this line, for which we need to know about this WebDriver Manager package. Now I'm going to my Chrome browser and I'm opening this WebDriver Manager, and it has a more details on it. So you need to check out whether this package is installed in your machine or not. I'm opening my command prompt first, and in the command prompt I am using pip list. So whenever we are using a pip list, see, I can find a webdriver underscore manager. It was already installed for me. So if it is not there in that list, then you can use pip install webdriver manager, which is going to install this particular package. And once this package got installed, go ahead and create a new program. Copy the existing program and paste it here with a name as a 37. And in this program, delete all unnecessary commands whatever we have. So I'm just keeping only few commands here, guys, which will launch the browser, and see here, which will open the application, and then which will enter the username, password, and all of this stuff. And I'm also deleting this actions chain. And if you switch back to this documentation, they have a given that you need to use this package to work on a Chrome browser. Copy this package name, go back to your script and paste it here. And before using that, make sure that this WebDriver Manager is there under your settings. Go to File, Settings, and here the WebDriver-Manager should display here. If it is not displaying in this list, click on this plus button and search for WebDriver Manager, and see here, selected install packages, automatically it will be displaying here. That's it. I just installed that particular package. And after installing the package, the next thing is we need to use this command to launch a browser. Copy this line, go back to your editor, this line, driver instance is equal to. That's it. I haven't specified anything else. Whatever the two lines are there in the browser, I copied and I pasted those two lines here. Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. Today we are going to study about how to run a test script without specifying the exe file. See guys, if you observe any one of the test scripts whatever we have created, we need to pass the exe file within our program. So I need to write down a test script without launching this exe file, or without specifying this exe file, for which we are using a WebDriver Manager. We have a Git official website and a documentation for this. I will be publishing this reference link in the video as well. And now here, if you observe, they are asking us to install this package to your machine. So I'm opening my command prompt, and before installing, I'm just cross-checking by using a pip list and whether I have that a WebDriver Manager package or not. So here we have a WebDriver Manager package in my machine. If you don't have that package, use this command in a command line and install this package. Once you have installed this package, go ahead and create your own program. Say I am copying the existing program and I am pasting the existing program with the name as a 38. And see, my 38 is data driven. I don't want it. So let me create another new program, guys. 31, copy it and paste it into a new program again with the name as 39. So I'm going with a 39 and new script. Okay, one second. Let me see the appropriate scripts. One valid script. Okay, 26 is the script. Okay, I'm copying it and I'm creating a new script with the name as a 40. And in this 40, I'm deleting all the commands below this. Okay, so I kept only few commands, which is open the application and maximize the window and perform these operations. And I am deleting this exe file. And if you refer to this documentation, they are asking this package to be imported for the Chrome driver manager. I copied this package and I kept it in the imports. And after that, in order to launch a browser, you need to specify this WebDriver manager dot this line. Copy this one and paste it here, and driver is equal to. So we are just specifying this as our browser instance. And now when I run my test script this time, just by copy pasting those two lines, it's launching a browser and it is performing the operations on a browser. Whatever the actions we have, it performed all those actions in a browser. So if you clearly observe, guys, we haven't specified any exe file. Directly our script is working and it's executing successfully. Like this, you people need to use a WebDriver manager and a Chrome driver manager in order to launch a browser. For suppose if you want to run your test script on any other browsers, this documentation has a Firefox browser, IE browser, all those things. Depending on your requirement, you can use it and you can run your test script on a respective browsers. So for me, I'm considering Chrome as my default browser and I executed my test script on a Chrome browser successfully. So this is the way how to execute our test scripts. Thank you. Thank you very much.